This is a short video tutorial on how you can use the pothole filling app to report all the potholes once they are filled. If you do not already have an account, please click on sign up. Once you get here, you will have to fill in your full name, email, designation. In designation, we have given all the designations, but if there is a designation missing, you can select others. You can fill in the zone, whichever department you are, whether it's zone or road infrastructure from BBMP, or which organization you belong to if you are taking this on. You can mention your zone. All the 8 zones are mentioned here. These are BBMP zones. However, if you do not follow any of these zones, for example, if you're from high density corridor, RI department, or if you are from maybe any of the other organizations that are here, you can select not applicable so that the potholes are visible everywhere. You can then fill in your phone number, select a password which you will remember, and confirm your password. You can then move into the login page once you have signed up. I'm just logging in using my ID. Once you log in, you will see this notification saying login successful. Once you enter in at the home page, you have 4 different tiles here. You will be working to fill the form. You will be using the pothole form for arterial, subarterial roads and pothole form for ward roads. All the people from BBMP RI will access the pothole forms from arterial, subarterial roads. The zones will find it in the ward roads. The different departments that are there, your potholes may fall under both subarterial, arterial as well as ward roads, and you will find it as a different color there. I'll move into one of these applications. So once I get into this particular dashboard, this is the arterial and subarterial roads. I want you to notice a few things. One is the location marker. So this will help locate you on field, especially just next to the pothole if you are next to it. Additionally, you will can search by the road by its name. So for example, here if I have to search Hosu Road, you will notice it will click and it will go on Hosu Road. You then have a small legend here, which is basically around looking at whether it's a BBMP pothole or it belongs to other organizations. So you'll notice here that whatever belongs to other organizations is an orange color. What belongs to BBMP is not resolved is red color. So everything that is red and orange has to be filled in. Once you fill in the form, so I'm clicking on this red, I will fill pothole form, then it will become green, right? So here you have the status of pothole. There are 2 status of potholes. One is fixed. When it's fixed, you have to upload 2 photos. Try to include before and after photos only wherever available. It's not compulsory. Mention the date of completion, which date you have completed this pothole filling, and remarks if any. Remarks is not compulsory. So if there is something additional that you would like to make a note of or mention, you can put it in remarks and you can submit it. Similarly, you have the not fixed. So if you have not been able to fix that pothole, you can select any of the following reasons. Roadwork is under progress, total resurfacing is required, there is a land dispute, or it's not under BBMP. If it's not under BBMP, you can select which parastatal it falls under. Additionally, you can upload the photographs here as well and drop in remarks if required. For instance, if there is a pothole that is of another department as well that you have fixed, you can also leave that as a remark here in case you have addressed it. Once this is done, you can submit the form. Similarly, I will move into the ward roads. So here as well, you will notice whatever is red falls under BBMP, whatever is orange falls under other departments. Once they are fixed, you'll notice some of the pothole forms have already been filled. I will show you how that looks. So someone's already fixed a pothole. They've uploaded the photographs with the date and they have mentioned some remarks. So that dot has turned green. If they have not fixed it, you'll notice here that there is a thing that they have not fixed it on that pothole because they're saying that white topping is under progress. So here you'll say roadwork under progress and they can submit that. So that becomes yellow. Moving ahead, I will show you how you can track the status of everything. So we have the backend where we have the dashboard. Here it is by zone where we are tracking how many potholes are fixed and how many are not fixed based on what is totally allocated to that particular zone. Each pothole is mapped to a zone. The same is done by department, which can be viewed later. That's pretty much it. If you have any issues or challenges, you can reach out to the contact mentioned. Thank you.